Today we're working on the parlor. The parlor, obviously if you watch the Halloween videos, everything had to get covered because it's in a state of disrepair. And in covering everything, that meant damaging the ceiling. As another reminder, this room is getting gutted in the spring, so all of this is coming out anyway, so it doesn't really matter how much damage I do to the walls and ceiling, it's all gonna get fixed. So, to get started in here, this room is once again going to be the showstopper for the Christmas party. Everything's got to get covered. So, step one of that is this lovely pack of vinyl panels that are going to go across the ceiling. And Andrew is here somewhere hiding right now because he is here to help me. He is here to help me iron these because they're pretty wrinkled from being folded up, and then they can be attached to the ceiling. At some other point, there is a whole backdrop banner that's going to get attached to the wall here, but I'm not in a super hurry to cover the windows up again because I just had them covered up for Halloween and I want the light to come in. We're gonna get started on ironing these and then get everything popped up on the ceiling, and then I can start working from there on what the theme of the room is. And the theme is Santa's workshop. And originally when I was planning the party and the lights that you saw the other day that went outside, those ceramic big C7 bulbs, I was gonna make this the tacky Christmas room. And it's still gonna be tacky, but by making it Santa's workshop, I can also add in kind of this element of magic and magic with elves and stuff. So the tree is going to be very vintage inspired with tinsel and those lights and all sorts of, crap like that. It's got to start with these. So let's iron. I just thought it was nice because I feel like she's got a reputation of being a bitch.
Shit. I don't think that was for Danny.
You think I'm going to be on the job and be like, I remember exactly how to do this. I don't need my phone. I need my phone when I'm like, how many inches is 5 feet? But that was literally this morning. I need to get a round tablecloth for this. It's 5 feet. And when I see a thing like 60-inch tablecloth, and I'm like, is that bigger than 5 feet or is it 5 exactly? That's 5 exactly. I need bigger than that. So that's to go with size. I know. You just checking everything out, huh? Want to iron? You tuck your tail in here. This should be your job, man.
Yeah. I hope you find the vampire you're looking for.
I really do.
I do too.
Now, like, anytime I see stuff where it's like 20 facts about Jurassic Park you didn't know, I promise you I did.
Yeah.
And I'm not going to watch that.
It's pretty good. It's pretty vibrant.
Yeah. It's not bad.
I think it's pretty decent.
They're like photography studio backdrops.
Okay.
And they were, they're definitely the cheap ones, because I was like, I'm not spending, this was like $14. It's even got Coca-Cola in it. I wonder how they got away with that.
And Carrie Fisher and the Burbs.
Yes. An Oscar winner.
Which, oh,
You'd recognize him.
speaking of people,
The next time you should try Polaroid.
no, that was even happening.
No.
So, yeah.
Right when I saw it, I was like, ooh.
I don't remember what his character was. Okay. We're gonna start, and because it should just be like 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. This one looks fine.
That one looks good.
That one looks like it might have been a stain. This looks like it's purple.
It's a workshop.
It's right.
Nothing's perfect.
I will.
Your combination of the right.
They're up. They don't look like anything I thought they were going to look like. We're going to work with it because it does look like wood. That's important, right? Yes, just go with me on it. I'm going to buy some just like cheap pine 1x6x8 boards from Menards because they are cheap. I think I'm just gonna cover the spans with those because that's all stuff that when this is done, I can reuse it. I can use it for, you know, other projects and things, probably in this room. But yeah, this was I'm not gonna say it was the hard part because I'm not gonna jinx myself. This was what it was and now it's up. It's been probably almost 2 weeks and I'm at risk now of falling behind. So I need to get going. I think I have maybe 5 of the 12 filmed. Anyway, I'll get a lot done this weekend, but I need to do this today. So I'm going to work on essentially wallpapering the parlor here. And I've got a whole bunch of wrapping paper that fell down the other day. And I'm gonna wallpaper. I'm gonna start from the bottom up so that I can tape along the top. And I'm gonna use all these like random rolls of painter's tape that I have that are half spent or there's just a little bit left. And I keep like using larger rolls in favor. And hopefully I can get this done by this afternoon between other things. Yeah, because I don't even know what I'm talking about. So I'm just gonna start doing this. I mean, could this be better? Yes, but I think for the, you know, the bottom at least where the floor is angled, it's not bad. It could be worse, but it could be better. As ever, time is marching on. I had to stop doing this wallpapering for a minute. Last night, though, I went around and just kind of attached it better to the wall. I did some thumbtacks around the top and decided I'm not going to do the actual wood pieces because I don't have time to do that. I did come up with some stuff that I thought was kind of exciting for this, though. Part of it is to hide seams of the wallpaper and make it a little bit nicer, but also what I'm going to do on the ceiling, because at the end of the day, it's gonna look like fabric on a ceiling. Tough shit. It is what it is. So rather than obsessing over a detail that I'm not gonna make perfect, I can't, I don't have the time for it, I'm just gonna continue rolling with it. I'm gonna start running this lit garland all across the perimeter of the room. Depending on how much of it is left, because there is a lot of it. It's normally like swooped in this room, but depending on what's left, I might run that across these pieces to hide the seams. Otherwise, it's going to be ribbon, and the ribbon is going to hide the seams on the walls. But the problem I'm having in here is that there's no light. There is no light at all. So when it gets dark, it's dark, and I can't see. So I've been using like these little puck lights to light my way, and it's just not going to work. So I'm going to get these lights up, and then we're going to clear this friend off today. We're going to put the tablecloth on so that we can build the tree. Because once the tree is on, I can start lighting it, and then that's like the big thing of light. We probably won't get to tree decorating in this episode, but this is gonna wrap it up, and then tomorrow we'll get the tree and all the fun jazz on the ceiling set up and done. Yay! So if this is not the most insane setup you've ever seen, I don't know what is. I ran out of daylight. I need light, so this bullshit's going on now. So I think, like, in the interest of time, I'm gonna take this ribbon. It's gonna cover seams. I am going to hide a couple extension cords. I'm getting really frustrated with filming, so we're gonna do a little magic, a little Christmas magic, and I'm gonna do this, and then it's gonna be beautiful. It's like the least impressive reveal that there's ever been. But all of the velvet ribbon is in place for everything and on the ceiling. Obviously, this looks nuts still, but I've got boxes and stuff to put up there for everything. So I'm gonna string LED lights all across the ceiling now, so enjoy that one. Okay, so I think this is a good spot to leave you. I am going to build this tree now and work some lights into it. And then we're in a good spot to wrap this lady up, if you will. I will see you guys tomorrow. We're gonna finish the room. It's gonna be ready for the party. And this super cheap blue spruce that I bought on purpose to look kind of cheap, it's gonna be done. And there will be light. Is that how it goes? I guess. Man, I don't know. Okay. Bye. Thanks for watching.